Okay, well today we're going to put some JW speakers in this Jeep Wrangler for a friend of mine, and it's pretty simple to do. We got to pull the grill, then we can get to the headlights. These already have been installed on the Jeep that I used to own, and they have the lens protectors on them, kind of like our old ones here have it too. Pretty simple to do though. Just get it opened up. We got to pull 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plastic screws out. It's going to use a little awl here and kind of get it started so I don't mess it up. Grab me this bucket. And I'll also use that. Just wait, that way to grab. There we go. Come on, pop it to the release. And sometimes in the middle, inside, the middle piece comes out. That's no big deal. Just pop it right back in. I'm going to kind of pry up on this and get these loose. There's 1, 2, 3, and the last one. There we go. Get those out of the way. Now there's some snaps down here in the grill itself, so I'm going to kind of work this out, and I'm going to get back here, kind of pop it loose without it going too far. There's 1, there's 2, and then we've got them in the center. Now I can't take it completely out until I remove the bulbs. So there's that bulb, and there's that bulb, and out it goes. We'll just set it over here, right on her dead. These are little bitty Torx, not sure exactly which side, so we'll just kind of try different sizes until we get the one that fits. I got lucky right off the bat. 4 little screws. Simple, simple, simple. Unlock it with the little red tab. Don't remember if we got to push it in or pull it back. It's got to come back. And now I can release it. There we go. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Push the little red tab all the way back. There it is. And then push down to release it. And off it comes. So there's those. That was easy, huh? And just same as before, just plug it in. And then I want to lock it. Click and then lock it. This one's going to sit just like that. Then I'm just going to line up the ring. There we go, just like so. So much for that. And lock it up again. Right there. Actually, it's got the little break down at the bottom. this up against the stops right there. Tighten them all. And that's that one. JW speaker, right side up. Let's see, where's the little break? There it is, right here. Goes on the bottom. And I'll get one just started. There it is. And I'll put the grill back on. There it is. And I just put it right over the top again. And then it will push into the snaps. And I'll put in my plastic pins when we're done. Big difference.